I don't trust myself.
Why not?
Because I don't know if I know what I'm doing.
Just mark a straight line. Just do a good X.
Knock the dirt in it, baby.
Okay. You're gonna have to look at it from over there because I gotta get it plumb before we can decide.
Sorry, I'm just trying to.
We'll get these posts done. We can, get these corners done. Head strings up.
Well, we can go back to the strings.
Too late now. Okay, I'm gonna start tapping. Yeah, that's fine. How's it look?
Let's get that way. Let's go that way. That's it, if you can get it to stay.
I don't know. That was pretty rough. And how many? We got 30 more to go. Hopefully it won't take that long. Here. Yeah, I guess, yeah. So now we need to get the we just need to get the post. Okay, that's good.
To settle down, day nights and late nights don't get around, but there's something about you I like, about you I like. look crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
While you're mowing, I'll get all the posts.
Well, let's say we got one more right here, right? Two more?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
And we'll be halfway done.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
great. We're halfway done.
Yeah, Yahoo.
You're doing great, honey. You want me to try drilling on the other side?
You want to try that? No, let's keep the rhythm going so we get done.
That sounds good.
It says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The garden fence is 100 by 20, 21, something like that. But anyway, we're only going to put posts on the long ends. We've got over there, there's 4 pieces of gate there. We're going to do the 21-foot areas with those gates where I can remove the gates and then I can just take my tractor and just plow all the way through and go out of the garden instead of getting right to the edge and having to turn around inside the garden. And so it just make it a lot easier to plow. Plus we're utilizing the materials that we have, right? Since everything's so expensive. So anyway, okay, let's get these last 2 holes dug.
Don't talk about it like you're crazy. You know damn well I can't replace you. Just say what you mean. Don't waste your time being mad at me. Say what you mean, say what you mean. And you'll get what you need, get what you need. What I what I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you.
We've got all the holes dug, got all the posts laid out where they're supposed to go. So now all we gotta do is just get them in the ground, get them plumb. Lydia's over here cleaning out the holes. They went about 2 feet deep with our depths.
Say what you mean, say what you mean, and you'll get what you need, get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you. I got you. Don't play me, cause you're pushing me away. Don't say to me that we'll talk another day. Cause my phone won't be ringing anyway. That's how you roll, yeah. Places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you. Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah. I always knew that this would happen, yeah. You would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah.
We are finally done with the posts, 28 posts. So now we have to put a couple braces on the ends, and then this weekend we'll start stretching the wire, fence up, and hopefully might be able to get some gates up. But you did a good job, Leah. Let's see how straight it is. It's pretty daggone straight. All right, you happy with that?
Oh I'm happy.
Okay. All right, we'll finish it up this weekend, hopefully. Here's a shot just up the hill here. I think everything looks really good. That was a lot of work. We were both pretty sore after we got finished doing most of this work, but I think it turned out great. So tune in for the next episode and we'll have the fence and the gates up, and hopefully we'll have a finished project. We got to put the bracing on the ends so when we stretch the wire, it don't pull the post, but everything's looking good.